So I just open up the box and this is what I see. First thing first is I think it's very cute that they actually use yellow plastic for the plastic that is normally black in color. So let's just lift up this clear piece first. Okay, and we have the V-Union cards for Pikachu V-Union cards, and I don't know how to get them out. Okay, I think I did it. I think I did it. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very cool. Pikachu V-Union. The promo that I really want actually. The promos are actually excellent. And we have Professor Burnett. Yeah, okay. And we have code card. Okay. So now that we have a look at that promo, now let's have a look at another promo. The Jumbo card Pikachu V-Union. It is actually kind of sick. My first Jumbo card and I do not know what to do with it. I'm sure I can find something for it. Okay, and now for the booster packs, let's see what we get. Just take them out. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 celebration packs, Battle Styles, and a Darkness Ablaze. So let's open the Battle Styles first. Okay. So we have the code card. We have a Mindful. We have a Cherubi, Pachirisu, Sparrow, a Remoraid, a Reverse Sandaconda, and Corviknight V. This looks like a Raven. Kind of cool, but one of those Pokemon that I do not recognize at all. Lightning Energy with Glice Level Ball. Okay. So that's a good pool. That's a good pack. Next will be Darkness Ablaze. Oh, it's a black card, a green card. So I guess this pack won't be that great. That's why I do not like to look at the code cards. Hypotus, Lavesta, Spinarak, Skywolvet, Rowlet, Reverse Struggle Gloves, and a Galarian Darmanitan, 2 reverses. Okay, I do not understand that. Kabu, okay. So we are done with the extra pack, so now let's just get straight into celebrations. Cosmom, Daga, Cosmog, and the first one that is in Solgaleo. Okay. Cosmog, Zekrom, Daga, Zacian V again, okay. Lugia, Ho-Oh, Claydol, my first one, cool, and Professor's Research, I can't speak, Professor's Research, I don't have this as well. Oh, okay, new cards, last pack. Reshiram, Xerneas, Cosmo, and another Mew. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy.